Good morning, Michael from the Academy. Hope you're well today. We're going to talk cabbages this morning, and there's quite a few different varieties of cabbages, but the two main types of cabbages are European cabbage and Chinese cabbage. Now, most of you are familiar with the European type cabbage. That's a Savoy cabbage, and then the Chinese cabbages are a lot lighter in colour. But the Chinese cabbages, there's a little bit of confusion because the pak choy and the bok choy are different than wombok. So they're both in the brassica family. They're both brassica rapens. So the pak choy and the bok choy, which doesn't grow a head, is a Chinese cabbage, and so is the wombok, which eventually grows a head. The wombok, the botanic name is Brassica rapens pekinensis, and the botanic name for the pak choy or the bok choy is Brassica rapens chinensis. So you can sort of see where the sort of confusion comes in. One's pekinensis and one's chinensis, but the wombok grows a nice big head, and the pak choy just grows leaves. So that's the difference. So you've got the European cabbage. Now, the reason why I love the Chinese cabbages so much is because they're so quick growing. It's the fastest growing leaf vegetable you can possibly get. This Savoy cabbage, we just picked out of the garden a minute ago. That's 3.5 months old now. These womboks are actually only 4 weeks old. So you get 3 to 4 times faster growth out of a wombok than you do out of a European cabbage. And that's the reasons why we really love growing the actual Chinese cabbages. Highly nutritious, great in things like stir fries, spring rolls. You can put them in salads as well, which you can't really put the European cabbage in salads. But that's the difference. European cabbage, Chinese cabbage, but there's two different varieties. The wombok, which forms a nice big tight head, and the smaller ones, which the pak choy and the bok choy, which only forms leaves. So if you want something really quick, try the womboks or the Chinese cabbage.